is the meaning of IQ, EQ? EQ, emotional quotient, refers to a person's ability to understand his or her emotions along with the other person's emotions. IQ, intelligence quotient, indicates a person's intelligence level.
History. In 1985, Wayne Payne proposed the theory of EQ in his doctoral thesis, A Study of Emotion, Developing Emotional Intelligence. The idea of EQ became more widely known with Daniel Goleman's 1995 emotional intelligence doesn't matter more than IQ. The idea of quantifying intelligence dates back to 1883. Francis Galton wrote about inquiries into human faculty and its development. French psychoanalyst Alfred Binet developed a test in 1905. This first IQ test was an attempt to classify school children in France based on the intellectual ability.
Emotional quotient. EQ refers to an individual's ability to perceive, control, evaluate, and express emotions. People with high IQ can manage emotions, use their emotions to facilitate thinking, understand emotional meanings, and perceive others' emotions. IQ is partially determined by how a person relates to others and maintains emotional control.
There are 5 general areas for EQ. Intrapersonal ability of manage and express emotions, knowledge of your own emotion, control of your emotion, and skill self-motivation. Interpersonal ability to initiate and maintain relationships with others, empathy or adapting your behavior according to other people. Adaptability, being flexible, solve problems and be realistic. Stress management, tolerate stress, control impulses, and general happiness and optimism levels.
Emotional quotient. Disadvantages. It can be used to manipulate people. It becomes another way to manipulate someone to do what you want them to do. It can be used for personal gain. It can create a lot of good, but it can also create a lot of darkness. It takes time to develop this skill. If someone isn't willing to look inward, then there isn't a chance to adapt to emotions that are outward, and emotional intelligence is a skill that not everyone takes seriously.
The advantages, it is something that anyone can learn. It isn't a genetic trait or a natural talent you can learn. It can help to reduce bullying. We can understand others' emotions. It improves a personal social effectiveness. It helps to improve the interpersonal relationships. Making decisions become faster. Emotional decisions are easier to make than logical decisions. And it can be used in many situations. It is always applicable.
There are 5 general areas from IQ.
Visual and spatial processing, knowledge of the world,
Fluid reasoning, working memory, and short-term memory.
and quantitative reasoning.
This feeling lonely because person is different. Expectation from others, people think a lot and sometimes they have depression from it.
Advantages, fast and complete logic thinking, easy learning and understanding information, mathematical skills.